Hello, everyone out there. It's Christmas time. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a peaceful, prosperous New Year. To all my viewers, to my subscribers, to my family and friends, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to everyone who supported my channel SGM Creations and Tutorials. I have created these channels in order to share my skills and my talent, especially on how to recycle waste and transform into a unique and beautiful project. And in this way, you can minimize your garbage and we can support health to support to save the Mother Earth from pollution because we are facing a big problem about the garbage. That is why I am trying to create a beautiful project so that you will be encouraged to recycle your waste. So, thank you so much to all of you who supported SGM Creations Tutorial Travels Food and makeup. I am also including my travel blogs wherein I am traveling from different places in Europe, like in Switzerland. I captured some beautiful mountain views, also in Germany, in Liechtenstein, and in Austria, because these four countries are the nearest neighboring countries in this area from the South Germany, from the North Swiss, and these four countries is the nearest places that I always use to visit during the weekend. So, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin, to all who supported my channel from the beginning, where I started my channel in October 2018, and finally in 1 year, I have completed the 4,000 watch hours and completed the requirements of the YouTube in order that my channel will be monetized. So hopefully soon I will earn money from YouTube, money from the waste. Ika nga, magkakapera na po ang SGM mula sa basura. Pera mula sa basura. Dahil yung mga materials ko, main materials for my project is for recycling is from the waste plastic bottles, from the waste cardboards, and many things. So, stay tuned and stay connected so that you will learn how to create different projects, especially in how to recycle plastic waste and transform into unique and beautiful projects. And I am teaching about beadworks. Beadworks is about jewelry making, okay, and refashion, old stuffs, and many things. So to all of you who supported my channel, it's my great pleasure to thank you for your big support, for your unfailing support from the beginning until this time. You continue to support my channel, and now I have already monetized and hopefully will get earn from this channel. So to all those who wish to be a YouTuber, so you can start to create a channel. We will be supporting each and everyone here in YouTube. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko. Maraming maraming salamat lahat sa mga Pilipino na sumusuporta, and to all the nationalities around the world who supported SGM Creations and Tutorial. I am here also to give my support to those who supported me. So to all those who subscribe or not subscribe my channel, thank you very, very much. And Merry Christmas and a peaceful, happy, and prosperous New Year 2020. So let's grow together and let's help one another. This is SGM. This is me. I am a Filipina living here in the Swiss. But in the weekend, I will visit some other parts in Europe, like in Germany, Austria, and Liechtenstein, because we always have a weekend trip with my family during the weekend. And that is why I capture some beautiful beaches and share it with you, because not everybody can visit Europe. That is why I share my videos to you. I hope you like it. And please give a thumbs up, give a comment, like and share this video, and subscribe to SGM Creations, Travels, Food, and Makeup. Maraming salamat, Dankeschön, Efresto Police, Shukran, Merci beaucoup, Grazie, o daghang salamat sa tanan. Magpapaalam na po si Ate Salip. Magpapakyut mo na. Sana babalikan nyo ang aking mga videos. See you soon. Ciao. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Welcome to 2020.